In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance video quality in Adobe Express. Now to do this, you first want to click on your video, and as you can see here in the top left, there is actually no button to directly enhance. However, if you want to kind of enhance your quality, you're going to have to go to adjust over here, and you can of course change these things. So you can go and change your contrast like this, you can change brightness a bit, play with highlights and shadows and stuff like that. And then down here, you can also play with colors and then details like sharpen. If you want it to be a bit sharper, you can also blur it a bit, etc. And that way you can kind of enhance your video quality, okay? So there's no AI enhancement version in here. You can't actually do this. There's no button to do it, but still you can kind of enhance it using these adjustments over here, okay? So that's pretty much all you have to know. And then whenever you go to download here, you can just go and select your resolution to actually make it, of course, as good as possible. And that's also going to enhance your quality as well. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.